Okay guys, I've got a few more parts for dechroming the Tundra. These are for the interior. I've got some trim rings. What I have found is they really only make these for the Tacoma, but the vent rings on the Tundra and the Tacoma are the same diameter, and they look like the exact same part, just with different molded plastic around it for the dash. So let's see if these work. I've also got this little matte black thing to go on the steering wheel. So let's go see if these work. Let's check it out. So what I've got here for the install is some alcohol wipes. You gotta have those to make the adhesive adhere. 3M also makes a great adhesion promoter that they sell, and you can get that on Amazon. I'll put some links under the video in the description. So you all know what this is. This is the little piece that goes on the steering wheel. Check that out. That'll be nice. And right here, let's get this open here. I'm gonna fumble with it. Are these pieces that can go over the vent rings. These are the only ones I have found. I ordered some others that were actually made of aluminum, and they were matte black, but they didn't fit. There was something wrong with the way they were originally made for a Tacoma, but there was something on the Tundra with the way they did the dash that kept them from seating properly. So I sent those back, and I found these, and I think these will work on a couple of the rings. Because of my phone mounts, they won't work on the center rings, but let's try these on the outer ones and see if they work. I've also got this X-Acto blade to help get this red stuff off the back of the 3M tape. So let's go do that and see if they work. These things are great. Can't wait to add them on. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take this alcohol pad, and we're going to wipe it down to make sure the tape sticks really well. Let's go try that. These are just some alcohol wipes I got a while back. They're for, like, I guess if you're getting a shot or something, I don't know. But let's try that. Let's clean that up. And we'll let that dry. At the same time, I'm also going to do the driver's side vent ring over here. See this? I'm just going to wipe that down. Wipe that again. Best I can. So the first thing I'm going to do is this right here. What do you think about that? This will be pretty neat. This thing right here. Start pulling this tape off. This one might be easy. It has a little tab right there that you can see that. I can just pull that up. Let's see if this works. Well, if you push on the horn, it's gonna honk. So I might have to go drive somewhere and do this on an open road to make it stick down better. But check that out. There you go. Getting a little more blacked out. Now I don't mind this matte silver so much. It's the chrome rings. Now, you know, the thing about these and these, if you want to replace them, like some places, I think it's different companies have replacements for these, but you have to disassemble the whole dash and take all this apart. Now, for some people that might be easy, and they'll just go, I'll just do it, and they don't care about marking up their car. I don't want to disassemble all this just to change out these pieces of plastic. So I'm going to do as much as I can. Like I said, I don't mind the matte silver that's on the vehicle. These places here, they don't reflect sun as much, you know. So we're just trying to do as much chrome as possible. Let's go ahead and get this one right here. The next one we're going to do is this, right over here on this vent ring. And I think it's going to adhere really well. So let me get the X-Acto blade and take care of that. So let's see here. I got that off. So let's give it a try. Vent works good. Vent works good. Well, it seems to be holding on really well. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Let's do that one over there. These, as you can see from the side here, do a great job. They're full coverage. Love that. Love that look. Okay, we're going to get another alcohol pad. Sorry, the lighting's very overcast today, and I have to do this outside, so I'm just gonna. God, I really have a problem with dropping things. Let's go ahead and clean that off. Let that dry. God, I really need to be careful with this X-Acto blade, or I'm going to end up putting a hole in my upholstery. I'm pressing down the red tape inside the ring. That's what I'm doing right now. See that? Looks pretty good. Okay. We're just going to pull this out, as you can see. And press that on just like that. Look at that. That looks good. Doesn't interfere at all. Perfect. These look really good. They look factory. Well, there you have it. I got the outer trim rings on. They look really good. Like I said, I'm gonna have to do some customization for these. I would hope somebody makes some for these soon. Because what I found with the sticker type is you can still see the chrome. I don't want to see chrome through it, because then it looks like you just put a sticker on it. These, if you can see the way these are, you don't see any chrome. It's got complete coverage, and it looks like that's the way the vehicle originally was. Same with this steering wheel cover here, which is awesome. That looks good. So anyhow, I hope you like that. I'm happy with these. They look great. And that's about as far as I'm going with this today. Well guys, I hope you like my video on trying to de-chrome some of the interior pieces again in my vehicle. You know, I don't know what changed in me, but for some reason I just dislike the chrome and wanted to go black. Maybe because I've started to see a lot of that on new vehicles, or seen other mods that people have done to get rid of the chrome. It's just something I ended up wanting to do. So I'm gonna keep trying to figure this out to get rid of this chrome. I've got most of it done. And I hope this helps y'all in making a decision. I'll put links under the video in the description so you can kind of do some research and see what's out there. There's quite a few things. AJT Designs, I've used some of their stuff in the console around the shifter. Very good quality, works great. They make a lot of stuff for the dash. You do, with some of their things, have to kind of take the dash apart. You do have to take the dash apart to use a lot of their stuff, but it's not so bad. You just have to take your time if you want to do that. Anyways, I like how it's turning out. Do your research, design it like you want to. Mods are very personal. If you would, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps the channel grow and encourages me to do more modifications to the truck and make more videos for you guys. Anyways, I will see you soon. I've got more videos to make. I've got a little grill modification I'm gonna do and several other things. So I will see you then. See ya.